All right, so the cheese has been freeze-dried. And I had a little bit left over, so I just put it in the cup, and I'm going to reconstitute it. And we're going to throw it over some homemade macaroni and cheese for dinner. And it says for half of a cup of freeze-dried, we need approximately 1/8 of a cup or 2 tablespoons of water. Now, since I had a little bit more, or a heaping half of a cup, I am going to add just slightly more. All right, give it a little shaky shake. I'm going to let that sit for probably 15-20 minutes, then I'm going to come back and give it a test. Here is the shredded cheese after it's set for a little while. And it came back like cheese. So we're having macaroni and cheese tonight, so I'll use this over the top and we'll see how it melts.